developer. Tapos mga lot only. Lot only, hindi ko na yung magtatayo ng bahay. Malaki to, ano siya? Ito yung pinakamalaking project sa buong norte. Kasi 300 hectare to eh. So, depende na lang kung anong gusto nyo gawin. Clubhouse. Hey guys, Nicole here, your Go to Bulacan Realtor, and this is, of course, nakita niyo naman at the beginning of this video, di ba? Nasa Colinas Verdes tayo, guys. Ang pinaka number one selling point na Colinas, maliban sa napakagandang amenities, number one talaga, location. Di ba? Location, location, location. Kasi nga, ito yung mag-welcome sa'yo pag galing ka ng Quezon City. Ito yung unang-una bungad siya ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, along Quirino Highway. So, malapit siya sa MRT-7 na ginagawa at sa SM San Jose del Monte at SM Fairview. Kaya location talaga yung number one. Maliban sa wala siyang history ng flood. At nakita niyo naman guys, yung ating napakagandang main clubhouse and swimming pool. In total, actually meron pa nga tayong 6 na swimming pool dito guys. Okay? So, let's go here. I just want to let you know guys na ang Colinas Verdes, lote lang yung pwede mong bilhin kay Santa Lucia. So, meaning to say, lot only, ikaw yung magtatayo ng future home mo. Pwedeng may sarili kang contractor or engineer. Pero dito, marami naman pong mga engineering company or construction company dito sa loob ng Colinas. If ever lang naman. Pero yun nga, ang ating minimum lot ay 150 square meter. Meron din tayong 1,000 square meter. Pwede ka rin kumuha ng tigwa 1,000 na magkakatabi. So, ganun po siya. So, before I give you the updated sample computation, guys, okay? I just want you to remember a few things about Colinas Verdes. Wala po tayong bank or pag-ibig dito. Ang pwede mo lang gawin, magbayad ng cash, mag-deferred payment, o kaya naman mag-in-house financing. Ang maganda sa in-house financing, alam mo ba, hindi namin kailangan ng iyong proof of income. Ang kailangan lang namin, 2 valid IDs, valid TIN number, at 2 proof of billing na same yung address. Tapos, kailangan din natin ng birth or marriage certificate, yun lang. Pwede dito yung OFW, immigrants, locally employed, kahit sino, businessman, or kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, kahit freelancers ka. Kasi nga, hindi naman kailangan ng proof of income, di ba? Pinakamahalaga dito, you are a diligent payer, at syempre, kung okay ka sa ating computation. Kaya, let's go! Magbibigay na ako ng ating updated sample computation guys. Showing on the screen right now. Pag minimum lot lang yung kukunin mo, okay? Pero yan ay yung 150 square meter. Naka-promo yan, kaya ganyan lang siya ka-affordable today. And at the same time, kung gusto mo ng mas malaki, ayan, magbibigay din ako sa screen ng malaking lot size. O, diba? Kayang-kaya pa rin kahit malaki yung lot area, pero marami kang pwedeng gawin. Pwede kang mag-detach, mag-attach, mag-roof deck, mag-third floor, mag-second floor, bungalow, or lofted, whatever. Kung ano man ang gusto mo. So, One thing you need to remember, bawal dito mag-walk-in. Kung magpapaschedule ka sa akin ng tripping, at least 1 to 2 days before. Okay guys? So you have to contact me as soon as possible sa akin yung Viber and WhatsApp. Viber and WhatsApp numbers always showing on the screen. Alright? And of course, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.